हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम यू ऑल इन माय चैनल हिमाचल दर्शन। स्वागत है आप सभी का मेरे इस चैनल हिमाचल दर्शन में। लॉकडाउन के कारण घर से बाहर नहीं जा सकते हैं और ऑल द ब्यूटी सलून्स आर आल्सो क्लोज्ड। सो लेट अस ट्राई फेस पैक एट होम. All the ingredients are available in your kitchen. So first ingredient is gram flour, curd, curd is one of the most common skincare ingredient ever used. It is easily available in all the kitchens. Next ingredient is tomato. Tomato can be used in the form of juice. We can blend or grate tomato, 2 or 3 tomatoes. Easily we can get in our kitchen. Adding tomato juice to besan makes it skin lightening. Next ingredient is rose water. Rose are in abundance in our garden nowadays. Plucking flower is though not good. The petals which are detached from the flower, we can use that. Collect those petals, put it in water for some time. It will become fresh rose water. Next ingredient is turmeric, easily available in all the kitchen. So 2 teaspoon of besan can be added in a bunch of turmeric powder. Turmeric is a perfect ingredient to achieve in the combination with gram flour. It has brightening property. It is also antimicrobial in nature and can benefit for acne prone stains. Then is potato. Grate the potato and squeeze out some fresh juice from it. You know, potato is packed with vitamin C, vitamin B1, B3 and B6. It helps to get rid of ugly spots from our face. Next is kesar. Kesar, you may or may not use all the ingredients. If you have available in your kitchen, you can use it or you can avoid it also. So friend, kesar has its own properties. It makes the skin fresh and healthy. So all the ingredients are curd, tomato, besan or gram flour, turmeric and rose water. Now let us see how to make this. Take a bowl, put 4 to 5 spoons of gram flour in it. Grandmother in Indian subcontinent are observed with using gram flour for skincare. I am pretty sure that your granny has told you at least a few hundred times to use a gram flour face pack to get a nice complexion and glow. So I'm taking this gram flour. Again, I am repeating that all the ingredients are easily available in the kitchen itself. As we are not allowed to go outside, beauty salons are closed, take 4 to 5 spoons of gram flour in a big bowl. Now this is tomato juice which we have grated from fresh tomato. Add this tomato juice to gram flour. Mix it slowly like this. Now this is turmeric, easily available in your kitchen. Add 2 spoons of turmeric to the mixture of besan and tomato. Mix it well as I am showing in my video. Now this is fresh rose water which we have collected from the rose petals. Mix this to your mixture. I already have told, if you are not having any of the ingredient, need not to worry. You can exempt whatever ingredients you are having. You can make this paste with that only. Now to make it compact, I have added some more besan to it. Now this is curd. The solution has become thick. Now I am going to add curd to it. Mix the paste like this. If you have available kesar in your kitchen, you can add 1 or 2 threads of kesar. Finally, our pack becomes like this. Beat the solution properly to make it a smooth paste. Now our face pack is ready with all those ingredients which we have collected from our kitchen only. Now see friends, our paste is ready to apply. It will make our skin healthy, wrinkleness, smooth, glowing and beautiful. So this paste is ready. I am showing how I am applying it on my arm. Now we can apply this on our face and let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes till it dries itself. So you can try it at home and enjoy my video. Please like it, subscribe it and share it with your friends.